just over 2 years ago, the Deutsches Museum in Munich commissioned me to make this marble run for they have like a Lange Nacht im Museum there, and also like they used to have like a festival where artists create these artworks in the museum in the Deutsches Museum. So anyway, I was commissioned to make this marble run for them, and the theme that year was dark matter. So I chose to use black MDF and create this, this black marble run. And what was different this time around was that it was necessary for me to create my own structure to hang the marble run from. Whereas normally I like to use an existing building or a tree or an existing structure in a building and hang the marble run from that. So the marble run becomes a part of the environment it's installed in. But this was different. I didn't have very much time to install the marble run in the museum, so I had to do a lot more preparation work. Yeah, and so I had to create this structure, and I had thought up this form, triangular form, but I wanted to, before I made the marble run itself, I wanted to make a model. And this video, that's what this video shows. It shows the model. It shows me making the model out of this very thin 3mm black MDF, which is good because it gave me more confidence about what I was going for with the full-size marble run. I've added links in the description to videos of the marble run, and I will eventually get around to cutting the video of the making of the marble run itself.